Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to walk through how we thicken our Castile liquid with hydroxyethyl cellulose, abbreviated HEC. Add calculated HEC to pre-measured water using a stick blender. Since this is a large batch of about 4 gallons, we will add the thickener gradually while creating a vortex in the water. A vortex is a circular motion within the liquid that allows thorough mixing of the HEC with the water. This step is crucial to prevent clumping and ensures a smooth final product. The HEC water is immediately poured into the Castile soap and mixed well to disperse throughout the soap. At this point, you can add any essential oil, colorant, or even bottle your soap. The soap will be fully thickened after about 30 minutes and will smooth over the next 24 hours. Thanks for watching.